Namaste dosto, hello friends. Today in Journey to Learn Hindi with Neha, we will learn about the subsection or the part of the major lesson in Hindi Grammar 3, that is Shabd Vichar. So the lesson we are going to learn today is Utpatti ke aadhar par Shabd Bhed. Let's begin. Shabd Bhed. In the lesson of Shabd Vichar, we have seen that there are majorly four categories on which the Shabd or the words are divided on the basis of Utpatti, on the basis of Rachana, Prayog, and Arth. That is, on the basis of origin. So, in this lesson, we will learn only the Shabd Bhed, which is Utpatti ke Aadhar par, on the basis of origin, the various categories of Shabd. They are Tatsam Shabd, Tadbhav Shabd, Desaj, and Videshaj Shabd. Similarly, in the later lessons and in separate videos, you will find the other three categories separately also. First major category was on the basis of its origin, उत्पत्ति के आधार पर शब्द भेद. As we have seen, there are four types. First type was tatsam shabd, that means similar shabd. tat उसके जोड़ सम means समान, अर्थात उसके समान. जो शब्द संस्कृत भाषा मूल भाषा से ज्यों के त्यों हिंदी में आ गए हैं वे तत्सम शब्द कहलाते हैं. इनका प्रयोग हिंदी में भी उसी रूप में किया जाता है जिस रूप में संस्कृत में किया जाता है, जैसे अग्नि, क्षेत्र, रात्रि, सूर्य, मातृ, पितृ आदि. So, what does this mean? It means that those words which have been taken from Sanskrit language, the basic language which have been taken from the Sanskrit language in its original form and ज्यों का त्यों, and after taking it from Sanskrit to Hindi, it is used as it is, ज्यों का त्यों, and the form or the word has not been changed. इनका प्रयोग हिंदी में उसी रूप में as it is these are used. So these words are known as tatsam shabd. Example are given over here. Next is tadbhav shabd. Tadbhav shabd is, we have seen in tatsam that the words are used as it is when it is taken from its original Sanskrit language to the Hindi language. Whereas when we come down to tadbhav shabd, जो शब्द रूप बदलने के बाद संस्कृत से हिंदी में आए हैं वे तद्भव कहलाते हैं. Now, against the tadbhav शब्द, this tatsam शब्द, tadbhav शब्द are actually those words which have changed their forms when they have come from Sanskrit to Hindi. Example, over here we have seen Agni. So, Agni is actually original Sanskrit word, but when it has come to Hindi, it has changed its form from Agni to Aag. Meaning remains same, but the words which we use in Hindi, it's not Agni, which is the Sanskrit word, rather it is Aag. Similarly, Kshetra, the original Kshetra Sanskrit word, when it has come to Hindi, now it has become Khet. Ratri, the Sanskrit word for night, has become Raat. Surya, the Sanskrit word for sun, has become Suraj. Matri, the Sanskrit word for mother, has become Mata in Hindi. Pitri, the Sanskrit word for father, has become Pita in Hindi. These are examples of Tatsam and Tadbhav Shabd. Tatsam will be the original Sanskrit words. Tadbhav will be the usage words in Hindi, which now we have changed from Sanskrit to Hindi. Meaning remains same. Examples are Ank, Ank. Tadbhav, Tadbhav is Ank. Tatsam, Chandra, Chand. Angaj, Angocha. Asht, आठ, इच्छु, ईख, जिहा, जीभ, अग्नि, आग, अघोड़, औघड़, दधी, दही, दुग्ध, दूध, काष्ठ, काठ, कर्पूर, कपूर, कंपन, कांपना, लौ, लोहा, हस्त, हाथ. Friends, I have a separate video on Tatsam Tadbhav Shabd and more than 500 words I have. Then the third category, उत्पत्ति के आधार पर शब्द भेद is देशज शब्द, which means indigenous. देशज शब्द की उत्पत्ति देश जम ज के योग से हुई है, जिसका अर्थ है देश में जन्मा. So what is this? देश में जन्मा, a word which has taken birth or rather originated within the country, and it's used due to its popularity as it is and is influenced by the geographical boundaries. It is used within the country itself very popularly amongst the common people. It's known as the Desha Shabd. So, how do we explain it? जो बोलचाल की भाषाओं में गृहीत है, regularly used in the talking or the speaking language. जो शब्द क्षेत्रीय प्रभाव के कारण influenced by the geographical boundaries and by the various other uh, features or factors के कारण परिस्थिति व आवश्यकता अनुसार depending on its uses situations, the word has been created, originated within the nation and is used as it is. So examples are lota, katora, donga, dibya, khichdi, खिड़की, पगड़ी, अंटा, चसक, चिड़िया, जूता, ठेठ, ठुमरी, तेंदुआ, फुनगी, कलाई, आदि. Okay? Next, move on to the fourth category on the basis of utpatti, which is Videshaj Shabd. That is foreign words. विदेशी जातियों के संपर्क से उनकी भाषा के बहुत से शब्द हिंदी में प्रयुक्त होने लगे हैं. What does this mean? With the cross-cultural effect of various nations and with the contact of several other countries coming together, the languages mixing, Hindi language has also taken few words from various foreign languages and they are used as it is in Hindi. These words are known as Videshaj Shabds. Example, school, anar, आम, कैंची, अचार, पुलिस, टेलीफोन, rickshaw, आदि. Let's look into the various types of Videsha Shabd. First would be very commonly the Angrezi, means English words in Hindi. Examples, college, pencil, radio, television, doctor, letterbox, pen, ticket, machine, cigarette, cycle, bottle, photo, school, adi, etc. Adi means etc. The next category or the next type would be Farsi, the Iranian words. Anar, chashma, zamindar, dukan, darbar, namak, namuna, bimar, barf, rumal, admi, chugalkhor, gandagi, chaplusi, adi. Third type, Arabi, Arabic words. औलाद अमीर, कत्ल कलम, कानून खत, फकीर, रिश्वत, औरत, कैदी, मालिक, गरीब, आदि. Turkey, the Turkish words in Hindi. कैंची, चाकू, तोप, बारूद, लाश, दारोगा, बहादुर, आदि. Purtgali, the Portuguese words in Hindi. अचार, Alpine, कारतूस, गमला, चाबी, तिजोरी, तौलिया, फीता, साबुन, तंबाकू, कॉफी, कमीज, आदि. Francisi or the French words in Hindi. Police, cartoon, engineer, curfew, bigul, adi. Chini or the Chinese words in Hindi. Tufan, lychee, chai, pataka, adi. Unani or the Greek words. Telephone, telegraph, atom, Then delta Adi, Japani or the Japanese words, example rickshaw. Then at last we see the Dutch, Bum Adi. Thank you friends, धन्यवाद दोस्तों for watching the video. Please don't forget to watch our next video on रचना के आधार पर शब्द भेद. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more and more learning, and please take out few seconds to give your feedback so that we can improve our learning together. Namaste.